I'm Anna, and today we're gonna make a zine. Now, what is a zine? Basically, it's a small magazine that you make yourself. If that doesn't make sense, just Google it. I'm gonna be 100% honest. This is literally the first time I'm actually gonna try it. So if we're gonna fail together, okay? If I'm failing, you're failing. I'm kidding. It's pretty easy, like it's pretty straightforward. All you need is literally like a piece of paper, either designed through your iPad or your computer, or you can just do it by hand. So let's get right into it.
Okay, so what you want to do is you're gonna grab your letter size paper, which is an 8.5 by 11 inches, and you're gonna fold it in half, hot dog style. So that just means that you're folding it from the vertical side, not horizontal. Then you're gonna fold that in half again. So you bring the top edge to the bottom, and then once you have that little square, you're gonna fold it again side to side, and you'll have more of a rectangle shape.
Okay, let's assume this looks super amazing. So now that you finished your design, either you printed it or you just did it by hand, you have to remember that this is your first page, your second page, third page, fourth page, fifth page, sixth, seventh, and last one. So that's the 8th page, okay? Yeah, I already did all the folding, but like you fold it like this, then you do it in half, and then, you know, try to fold it in half again. So you have this, right? But anyways, that's just to mark every single page. But right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the middle. So by the middle I mean, we're gonna cut just this too, okay? So we're gonna do like a little cut. So I'm using my cutting knife, and I'm just gonna do it here, real quick. Okay, doesn't have to be perfect. So now that you have this, you're gonna fold it in half again. You're gonna fold it and you're gonna try to open it like that. So it's like this, and boom. So this is page 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So once again, now you open all of this, you go like this, push it, and make kind of like this flower thing, like a cross flower, however you want to look at it, and you fold it. And that's it. That's literally how you make a zine. I don't know, it's pretty cool, pretty straightforward. You can just glue this in and then it'll look better.